coming to the wedding, I asked them both to give me a memory or a thought of the moment they realized they wanted to marry each other. And I think Kiara's response was the fastest. Simply, I've always wanted to marry her. And just like that, we're here, standing in front of all the people they love in the world, and with those who can't be with us, watching over them as they take the next step in their lives. Before we get into what we all been waiting for, I leave the couple with something to remember. Love is both life's greatest battle, but life's ultimate prize, and you've won that battle. Remember, marriage won't always be easy. It won't always be beautiful, but always remember to keep some sunshine for when it rains. Remember to always love each other. Always look to each other for strength and comfort. Remember to always laugh and enjoy the little things. And always, always remember, together you can move mountains. Now let's get married. Let's get married. Okay. Kiara, will you take this ring and place it upon Gabrielle's finger? And as you do, repeat these words after me. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As I give you myself.
As I give you myself.
With love and affection.
With love and affection.
Wear it in peace always. Okay, great. May this be the start of a happy new life that's full of special moments to share. May this be the first of your dreams come true and of hope that will always be there. May this be a start of a lifetime of trust and caring that has just now begun. May today be a day that you'll always remember, the day when your hearts became one. And as much as Gabrielle and you, Kiara, have thus consented in matrimony and have witnessed the same before family and friends, by virtue of the authority vested in me as an officiant in the laws of New Jersey, I now pronounce you married. You may kiss your bride. May these two find happiness in their matrimony. May they live faithfully together. May they ever remain compassionate. May their years be rich in joys of life, and their days be long upon earth.
What? Yeah, it looks perfect. I like mine don't look good.
Kiss her.
Damn.
Demanding. Demanding.